Good morning and namaste, all my friends and relatives. Some of my friends requested to tell about the lunar eclipse of 18th September 2024. There are two kinds of eclipse in our astrology. One is sun eclipse or solar eclipse, and other is lunar eclipse or moon eclipse. Sun eclipse can seen on the day and lunar eclipse can be seen on night time. Coming Wednesday, the 18th September 2024, will be seen the lunar eclipse from USA, United Kingdom, Germany, and some of European countries. All of us, not only Hindu but also Christian, Buddhist, Isai, are also affected by the eclipse. So, in my opinion, all of us should accept the rule of eclipse. Today, I am going to inform about the lunar eclipse, which will be seen on 18th September 2024 in Nepali date 2 Ashoj 2081. The day is Wednesday. On the full moon day of Ashoj 2 2081. There will be a partial lunar eclipse that will bring financial benefits to four zodiac signs. The signs that will gain are Aries, Gemini, Libra, Sagittarius, and Aquarius. However, Pisces, Taurus, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, and Capricorn may face some losses and difficulties. This is a partial lunar eclipse, not a total one. This eclipse can be seen from America, Bulgaria, United Kingdom, Chile, and many other European countries like Portugal, Poland, Belgium, etc. Although it won't have much effect on those of us living in Eastern countries, many Nepalese live worldwide, so those staying in America or Europe should follow the necessary rules. During the eclipse at 7:57 a.m. to 9 a.m. according to Nepalese time, this is converted to New York time 5:42 p.m. to 7:42 p.m. It should be converted the concerned countries, which is why I am sharing this this information. Please share, subscribe, like, and comment, and mention where you are watching from to spread this message. In America's western region, European countries like the Portugal, Germany, which I have already informed, the partial lunar eclipse will start at 5:42 in New York time p.m. and the end at 7:42 in New York time. From 8 hours before the eclipse begins, it is advised not to eat or drink anything except for the sick and weak. During the eclipse, do not look at the sky with the naked eye. Chant the mantra Om Som Somaya Namah. Avoid performing rituals or prayers, and do not start new business, open new shops, or lay the foundation of a house or any other auspicious work. Thank you. Goodbye.